Hi, this is Scarlett Sanchez, and I wanted to talk about this book called The Truth as Told by Mason Buttle. Everyone roots for the underdog usually, don't they? Well, in this story, you definitely will. Mason Buttle, who is a 12-year-old boy, is just the subject for bullies. They wait for him, they corner him, they get him on the playground. When he gets off the bus, as he goes home every day, he knows that something's going to happen on a daily basis because of these bullies. Now, Mason Buttle has had a difficult life. His mom was killed by a drunk driver, and he has no idea where his dad is. So Mason, he lives with his grandmother and his uncle, and the home environment just isn't the best. Their home is very old and falling apart. And Mason has his own struggles academically as well. He struggles in school and he is in resource, and things just aren't going his way. Well, one day, Mason's best friend, his name is Benny, Mason and Benny were hanging out together, and they were actually playing in a treehouse. Well, Benny is found dead, and the police, this one gentleman in particular, Lieutenant Baird, he is just absolutely positive that Mason Buttle is the one behind Benny's death. He is sure that he has put all the pieces of the puzzle together. And he just thinks that Mason isn't telling him the complete story of what happened. So as time goes on, Mason is being served in resource, and he comes across another kid whose name is Calvin. And Mason and Calvin, they click and they instantly start to become really good friends. And they play after school together and they hang out. They do their things that boys do. Well, they come to find out that there is a cellar kind of close to where Mason Buttle lives, and they start to hang out there. They make this little hideaway for themselves. Well, what do you know? That Calvin he just disappears. And now everybody's pointing the finger again at Mason. So not only are they assuming that he is behind his best friend Benny's death, but they think he is behind Calvin's disappearance. So who killed Benny and who has Calvin? Is Mason Buttle being framed? Find out in this heartwarming story of compassion and friendship.